Welcome to this channel. Good day, viewers. This program is purely for drivers or vehicle owners. In this channel, I'm going to tell you the importance of driver's license. What is driver license? The key rules of driver license and which particular type of or class of driver license you need to have before operating a particular vehicle. As we all know, or as we are all aware, a driver license is an official government issued document that permits an individual to operate a motor vehicle legally on public roads. It serves as their authorizations to drive a specific class or types of vehicles such as cars, motorcycles, trucks, buses, trailers, tankers, and others. Key reasons why a driver's license is important. 1. Employment opportunities. Some job positions, especially those involving driving requirement, candidates to have a valid driver's license. It can be a job requirement for roles such as delivery drivers, truck drivers, taxi drivers, and others. 2. Legal requirement. In most countries, driving without a valid driving license is illegal. Having a driver license is a legal requirement to operate a motor vehicle on public roads. 3. Identification. Driver's license often serves as a primary form of identification. They contain personal information, e.g., a photograph, names, blood groups, date of birth, and address. Many official and financial transactions require proof of identity, and a driver's license can fulfill this requirement. Overall, a driver license plays a critical role in ensuring that individuals who operate motor vehicles are qualified, responsible, and accountable for their actions on the road. In case if there is an accident that is involving various or any vehicles on the road, if you have a valid driving license, your case will be minimal. But if you don't have a driver license, you are referred to as a murderer because you have no driver license and you have not been tested by any government body for you to operate that particular vehicle. Therefore, I advise each and everyone, the motoring public, to go out there and get their driver's license. Because if you don't have any and you are involved in a road accident, the first thing you go to police station or court. The question is, are you a licensed driver? If you are a licensed driver, your case will be minimal. If you are not, you are a murderer on the road. On this note, subscribe to this channel for more videos. Like, share, and remain safe. Thank you.